outside. Can you play that again? My little baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about this Biore Pore Unclogging scrub. I always practice that because I always like forget it, like say it weird. But yeah, this product is amazing. I'm gonna lie, I'm not even gonna front. I tried filming this like 3 weeks ago. I've been using this product for 3 weeks. I got my first reaction and then my clips got deleted. And I tried to like film the whole like process of me putting it on my face and everything. It just didn't work out. So I'm not gonna fake my reaction right now. I already been using this for like 3 weeks. But I will tell you about my reaction. So I put it on my face. I wet my face, put it on my face, massaged it for like 3 minutes, 2 minutes. And then I rinsed it off, and the after feeling is so amazing. Like it just feels so fresh. I don't know how to explain it. Like it feels like your pores are basically clean. But I will say it probably wouldn't get like in your nose and everything, so I probably need like a little mask or like a little thing that just to get like the nose like blackheads and gunk out. You know, I hate those. I wasn't only using this product here. I have been using Ambi with this product. I have a video on this, and I have another video on the other Biore video I did, which was with the charcoal cleanser. I will link that down below too. But I've been using both of these together, and I will show you like a before and after of my face. I think I filmed like a before like 3 weeks ago or 2 weeks ago, because like my clips got deleted, like I said. But these two together have been working for me, okay? And it basically just lightens up your blackheads. See, I have a lot, so you know, it's not fully like toning my face down. And there's so many questions that you guys have that I will answer right now, because on both of these videos, my last Biore one and my last Ambi update video, you guys had just like went in. You guys had so many questions. So I'm going to go get my iPad and we're going to answer some of those questions. Okay, so I'm going to answer some questions, and I'm just going to read some comments that you guys made. All right, so the first one says, I do not recommend using this. For me, it made my cheeks red and burned, and all it really did was cause more acne. Well, you guys can take his opinion or her opinion, but for me, you guys just watch the video. It really did work for me. So that's their opinion. I'm not going to even comment on that. So this comment says, I saw that it has SLS. Is that bad for skin? Don't know what SLS is. Well, either way, my skin is not bad. So this person says, should I try this product out? I have a lot of acne scars as well. Yes, but you should use this product I'm reviewing today. Also, it made my skin so dry. I have naturally oily skin, so maybe if you have dry skin, it probably will dry it out. I don't know. Okay, this person went in. She said, girl, you don't even have acne. Your face is almost perfect. I have this forehead bumps that aren't that visible, but in the sun or in any light, they are super visible. Should I try this Biore cleanser out? Yes, I think I commented on that one, but 27 likes she got on this, and I was like, dang, maybe my face is not really bad, but like I think every time I look at my face, I'm just like, you know, because I have all these like dark spots on my face. So, but thank you, but you should use it too. It says, at Tati Touch, it burned me when I put it on. It didn't burn me when I put it on, so stop using it. And this person says, LOL, I think it's pronounced Biore, but I say Biore. I don't know, I still don't know how to say it. Oh my God. Maybe I should watch other reviews on YouTube and see how they say it. This person said, did it burn? I said no. It just tingles, you know. But that was on that last Broe charcoal, okay? And then I'm gonna go to my Ambi, which got 45,000 views. Oh my God, thank you guys so much. And I'm just gonna read some of these comments, and that's crazy. This person said, can you use it on other places than your face, such as your neck? And yeah, I rubbed it the first time when I wasn't really supposed to. I was just supposed to like dab it on there. But now I learned, because I mean, I was new to the product at the time. But yeah, I just like dab it on like the certain dark spots that are there. You don't want to like put it everywhere, because like your whole face will lighten up with the dark spots, if that makes sense. What? Okay, so this person went in on me, okay, but it's very, very racist, I feel like, but okay. You need to get your diet right and keep it up. A lot of Black women eats total shit diets, and y'all gotta get them right, because y'all diets affect the babies, and your skin is a direct indicator of your health. I'm not saying he's wrong, I'm just saying that he's right. I mean, maybe I do need to get my diet right, but I've been drinking water, like, I know me. So he doesn't like know, but like, whatever. What is your song intro? It changed, so I will have to go back and put it on the screen, but I'll put my intro song. This person comment, it smells good now compared to years ago, and it has a more smooth texture. I guess it does, because I like the smooth texture on this. I don't know how it was last time, but this person says, Ambi will sure work the best. I agree. This person just comment poison. Okay. Try changing your diet. Just wash your face. This person said, music had me bumping a Target has it for oily skin. I said that because I have oily skin and I got the normal one. If you guys go back in my Ambi video, but yeah. Do you still use it? And this was 5 months ago. Oh my God. Yes, I still use it, but I've been stopping because I just totally forget that it's there, or I just forget, and then I forget again, and then I forget. So I've been using it off and on. That's why it's not finished yet. I've had this ever since summer, so which is bad, but like, I'll give you guys updates. Many people are saying like the music. I'll probably put music on this one too. But I've been using it, but don't rub it in. I apply a thin layer. I just put like, you know, dabs. It says do your neck too. What was the point of using it? I have been using it on my neck, but mostly I've been forgetting it, because you guys can see like this place is like lighter than this, like my neck. I don't know. Now I'm gonna go back to this. So I'll insert some clips of me trying this Biore Pore Unclogging Cleanser, Pore Unclogging Scrub. But to me, it feels good. I like the little beads that are inside. It feels like it's getting into the pores, cleaning my freaking soul.
I can love you better than she can. I know sometimes I get wrong, but we'll make it. We'll make it through the storm and la 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 la. Real boy, I can love you. I can love you. I can love you. I can love you better than she can. I can love you. I can love you. I can love you. I can love you better than she can. I know sometimes can get wrong, but we'll make it. We'll make it through the storm, and I know I will try to make sure that you get through.
I also use this in my morning routine and my night routine, I believe, and it was amazing. So you guys should really try this out. I really like it. This is not sponsored. I just really like the product. And you guys been like asking, and all my skincare routines have been, you know, so much questions. So if you have more questions, please comment down below. If you guys have any comments, suggestions of what I should use on my face, comment down below. And I hope you guys like, give me a subscribe, so follow all my social media, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.
Said she tired, little money, need a big boy. Pull up 20-inch blades like I'm Lil Troy. Now it's everybody flocking, need a decoy.